everybody, welcome to another Friday here at the Bruce Company. I'm in the greenery department surrounded by all of these beautiful blooming plants for Easter, including we have a gorgeous collection of orchids in just came in this week, and so all kinds of colors and shapes and patterns. They're really gorgeous, but we've got Easter lilies, azaleas, hydrangeas, campanula, just a whole bunch of stuff. So if you are looking for Easter plants, this is the place to come. We are open today until 5 and tomorrow from 10 to 5 and closed on Easter Sunday. So if you need those Easter plants, come on in and get them today or tomorrow. Also, this is the last weekend for our Scott's gift card giveaway. So if you purchase the 4-step program, we do have in-store rebate, so you can, it is applied at the register, but if you buy your 4-step program today or tomorrow, you also get a gift card that you can use for a later purchase for here in the store. And so just ask any of the cashiers and they'll take care of that for you. That does end on Saturday. What else is going on this week? Oh, we have beautiful lilies, Asiatic and Oriental lily bulbs. So it's a super economical way to plant lilies. If your garden sort of peters out kind of after May or middle of June, lilies are a great, easy, perennial way to add color. And you can plant them this weekend because we're going to get some beautiful weather, and I'm pretty sure that the soil is thawed. So that would be something you could do Easter Sunday. You could celebrate by doing a little bit of planting. Also, we have really exciting news because next week starts the delivery of trees and shrubs. We have at least 3, possibly 4 truckloads coming in from all over the country, and so that's really exciting because our nursery lot is looking great. Our team graded it and re-top dressed the gravel and working on the irrigation right now, and so we want to be ready for next week's deliveries. Just a reminder again that we are closed on Easter Sunday, but we will reopen 10 to 5 on Monday. And happy Easter to all of you here from all of us at the Bruce Company.